Hey, Frida.
Bertha Cronenberg Skypes regularly with her friend Frida in Australia. They grew up together in South Africa.
She's way there on Surfers Paradise. I've never been there, and she's there alone in an apartment, and here we talk together.
Bertha is 88 years old.
I'll tell you a secret. I don't think I'm too old to learn anything.
She's taught herself how to Skype and use many other programs.
I'm forever learning. I got a lot of knowledge through nosing around.
A third of seniors are now online. 98% of them use email every day, and half are on social media like Facebook.
And that, in my view, is the big payoff, the ability to use email, instant messaging, social networks, desktop conferencing to keep in touch with people, particularly if they're far away.
At the University of Toronto's Technologies for Aging Gracefully lab, Dr. Ronald Becker and his team are developing next-generation devices to make it easier for seniors to stay connected.
I think a lot of companies are starting to see this as a real opportunity, again, because of the demographics.
Things like a digital picture frame that allows seniors to send and receive messages just by touching the screen. An e-reader that can read a book to someone who has poor eyesight and that has an easy-to-understand color-coded docking keyboard. Or an app for cell phones that can tell where you are and can speak for you.
And so if you're in front of a Tim Hortons, it comes up with one set of words, and if you're in front of a movie theater, it comes up with another set of words.
For Bertha, technology can let her travel the globe, visit with friends, and sometimes drop in on old familiar places.
It brings me back to the jacaranda trees that I had outside my house. So it means a lot to me.